You have to admit, the rapid growth of TikTok is really amazing. There's a lot of space to be innovative and start making money on it, because over 1 billion people use it daily. There are a plethora of opportunities to monetize your likes and following, regardless of how long you've been posting or how recently you started. Here we cover all the bases. How to become a TikTok Creator Fund member, how to collaborate with sponsors, how to go live with your fans, and how to sell your own products through the app. In this video, we will show you different ways to make money on TikTok. 1. Sell your merchandise on TikTok. Selling your own goods and wares on TikTok is a great way to earn some extra cash. You set up a mini online shop and sell print-on-demand items on TikTok to sell the merchandise. Artists like musicians, dancers, and comedians can reach their most devoted followers by promoting and selling items. A plethora of products are available because of the market's abundance of print-on-demand services. Merchandise such as t-shirts, sheets, hats, pillowcases, notebooks, stickers, and branded coffee cups are all fair game. In addition to helping you create your personal brand, selling these items will bring in some extra cash and strengthen your relationship with your fans. 2. Try affiliate marketing. In order to achieve success as an affiliate marketer, it is essential to generate online sales. Emphasize the promotion of products that resonate well with your target audience. Produce captivating videos that effectively showcase affiliate products, highlighting their value and providing compelling reasons to make a purchase. Consider promoting brands that you have confidence in and enjoy by sharing affiliate links or codes to keep track of purchases influenced by your account. When a follower uses the link or code you provide to make a purchase, you'll earn a commission from the brand for that sale. Clickable links cannot be placed within video descriptions on personal TikTok accounts. However, you can request your followers to manually input the links into their web browsers or input specific codes during the checkout process. Websites such as Beacons offer a user-friendly platform where you can easily create a web page that includes affiliate links and product information for your promotions. Adding a link to your bio is possible if you have a business account. If you're an in-house marketer, consider creating an affiliate marketing program that provides clear guidelines and instructions for participants to easily understand and follow. Invite TikTokers, which are a good fit for your brand and target audience, to join in. Encourage your affiliates to promote the products and services that are most in line with your objectives and target audience. Additionally, it is crucial to establish a tracking system that allows for the monitoring of affiliate performance and commission payments. 3. Join the TikTok Creator Rewards Program. The TikTok Creator Rewards Program offers creators a simple and easy way to earn money on the app. This is not a complex ad revenue sharing program like YouTube's AdSense. Instead, TikTok has created a straightforward method to share income with creators. Earning money on TikTok has become increasingly accessible for users. There are several ways to monetize your content, including receiving tips from your fans, taking advantage of TikTok's tipping feature, and setting up a TikTok shop to sell products if you're a small business owner. TikTok determines its payouts by considering various factors, such as the length of the video, the number of views, the level of engagement, and the performance in specific regions. So, what can you anticipate TikTok's payment to be? The program provides a clear and easy-to-understand payout increase compared to previous ways of making money, with potential earnings ranging from $4 to $8 per 1,000 views. This represents a significant increase compared to the payments typically made by the Creator Fund, which usually ranged from 20 to 40 cents per 1,000 views. 4. Go live to get virtual gifts. Many social platforms like TikTok offer a live streaming feature that allows users to engage with their followers or fans in real time. However, what sets TikTok's live stream apart is its feature that enables followers to show their appreciation to hosts by sending virtual gifts, which can then be redeemed as cash. The live gifting feature on TikTok is incredibly useful for creators who want to make money from their content. Creators can establish strong relationships with their followers by engaging them in real time, which ultimately determines their success. When you schedule a live stream, your audience will consistently show up and generously give you gifts to show their appreciation. TikTok users are incredibly generous and consistently support creators whose content they connect with. If you choose to focus on live streaming, you have the opportunity to directly sell your products to your fans. A growing number of e-commerce retailers have embraced TikTok live streaming due to its ability to generate higher revenue compared to other social media platforms. 5. Create in-feed ads. If you're looking to maximize your marketing potential on TikTok, there are plenty of great opportunities available. One option to consider is creating your own in-feed ads using the TikTok Ads Manager. TikTok ads are displayed in users' For You feeds and play automatically, just like any other TikTok video. By utilizing paid ads, you can effectively target audiences who have a genuine interest in your products, ensuring that your videos reach the right people. TikTok's Ad Manager effortlessly integrates with Shopify, You have the ability to create TikTok ads, choose a target audience, and monitor the performance of your ads directly from your Shopify store. TikTok can truly be an exceptional online marketing tool for you to utilize. 6. Earn money from Patreon subscriptions. Offer your followers the opportunity to access exclusive content on Patreon as a way to show their support for your work on TikTok. Patreon is a platform that allows creators to earn a steady stream of income through subscriptions. The tool is perfect for creators who want to establish an exclusive membership space for their dedicated followers. Subscribers can easily access Patreon by paying a monthly fee. Creators encourage their followers to subscribe to Patreon by offering exclusive content that is only available to members. Users have the privilege of accessing new content and videos before they are made available to the general public. One way to keep your fans engaged and coming back is by offering them physical perks at different membership levels. These perks can include customized gifts or postcards, which can help create a sense of connection and appreciation. The main focus is on growth and expanding our subscriber base, so we strive to keep our subscription costs as low as possible. For dedicated fans, there's a limited time offer for a monthly subscription priced as low as $1. Don't miss out on this great deal. As more subscribers join, the amount of money will increase. In addition to subscription funds, Patreon also serves as a community space where you can engage with your followers and facilitate conversations among them. Therefore, TikTok creators who want to grow a substantial following should take into account Patreon, as it provides a reliable source of income from subscribers. 7. Grow and sell TikTok accounts. Building a TikTok following naturally can be a time-consuming process. Alternatively, purchasing an established account can provide you with an immediate increase in followers. In order to effectively generate income from selling TikTok accounts, creators should prioritize niche topics that are sustainable for potential buyers. This will help the buyer in consistently posting similar content and keeping their followers engaged. It is important for brands to conduct thorough research before purchasing an established account. An account with a large number of followers but minimal engagement may not yield the desired results. Additionally, it's important to make sure that the account is tailored to your intended audience and that the content reflects your brand and objectives. 8. Promote, create, and sell music. Most videos on TikTok feature a song playing in the background, allowing creators to lip sync and dance along. Experienced TikTok creators understand the importance of music on the app. Therefore, if you're an aspiring artist, you have the opportunity to generate income and gain exposure by creating content that is relevant to your music. In addition, if your videos become extremely popular, you have the opportunity to earn money by incorporating specific songs into them. If you have a substantial following and consistently produce captivating content, musicians may be willing to compensate you for featuring their music in your content. If a song becomes popular, it will likely have more downloads if it is easily accessible. At first, TikTok was developed as a platform for individuals to showcase their singing and dancing talents. With the ability to publish and promote your beats on the platform, you'll be able to enjoy financial success. However, it's important to create music that is of high quality and enjoyable to listen to. And there you have it, a guide on how to make money on TikTok in 2024. Curious about how to make money on TikTok or want to connect with other creators? Leave a comment below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future TikTok money-making guides.